guys, it's Jewelyn, my grandma, and Ebby. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. And welcome to my long-awaited unboxing of my Pink Princess Philodendron. It is here, guys. We just got back from the Santa Monica Beach bike path. We had a nice time sipping boba and watching all of the people on the bike path. And we rode from Santa Monica Beach all the way to Venice Pier and back. We came home to this box and I am really excited to finally have this baby in my arms. I got it from an online seller 2 weeks ago and this was not a cheap plant, so I'm kind of interested to see the condition and also to see how it's packed, because I'm always curious to see how online sellers pack their plants. So I have a scissors here. We got Ebby and my grandma to witness this amazing plant in my collection. And grandma, you seen the plant for the first time yesterday in the plant nursery in West Hollywood. What do you think about the plant?
Such a unique and different.
Different, right?
Yeah.
So the cool thing about the Pink Princess Philodendron is that there's pink in it, and it comes in various kinds of color schemes here. It could be half pink, half green, or it could be a splash. So there's various combinations, and I think that's super cool to have pink foliages on a leaf. So anytime I see pink, I tend to gravitate towards it. And if you guys are a plant enthusiast like me, then you definitely know about the Pink Princess Philodendron and how hard it is to get this plant. So I see it right here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. What does it say here? Damage box or other use, save your box. Okay, so it's located down here. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Drum roll, please. Oh my. Oh, it's stuck in here, Grandma.
Slowly.
Keep band intact for ship. I don't know. Maybe we should go from the bottom, Grandma. What do you think? Because it's stuck there on the bottom. So I think what they did was they rubber band it to the bottom of the box so that it doesn't flop around. So let's go ahead and see if I can go ahead and get it from the bottom of this box this way. I don't want to ruin the plant, but I do see that they did put it in a plastic bag, and that's interesting because I think maybe that holds moisture for the plant. This came all the way from Florida. Ah, here it is. So here is how the plant is packed here. Looks like there's a rubber band right over here attached to the plant. Do you see that, Grandma, how they did that?
Yes.
So let's go ahead and let's see. Ah, I see it now. So there's a band here to keep the plant from falling out. So let's cut the band now, right? Right here, and it'll fall out. Interesting. So we're cutting the rubber band off. Oh, here it is. Okay. Whoa, never gotten a plant in the mail like this. So it looks like it has shifted right here. Do you see that, Grandma? So it looks like it's in a plastic bag. There's some moisture in here, and maybe we'll cut it from the top here. Ooh. Ebby's like, what is this? I think maybe we should cut it down here from the bottom. What do you think, Grandma?
Definitely.
Okay. I've been wanting the Pink Princess Philodendron in my collection for a very long time, without ruining the plant baby here.
Something's gonna fall.
I think it's just soil, Grandma. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to sweep again. My grandma's been so good with keeping my patio nice and clean. Sorry, Gram. We'll just leave it like that. Looks like they put, what is this? Ah, for moisture. So a damp napkin in there for moisture. And then let's see if we can pull the plants up this way. Alright, that created a lot of trash, but here it is. Oh my goodness. Do you see that splash of pink right there, Grandma?
Awesomely beautiful.
So, what happened here? So guys, there is a little loose baby right over here, but I'm gonna try to not kill this one. I won't do anything with it besides leave it in the dirt here. But the soil is very loose here. Ah, also, Grandma, do you see they added more napkins in here? So, without stressing the plant out.
Wow, you got a baby.
My my baby. Oh, look, napkin here. Ah, I see some roots here, Grandma. Do you guys see that? I definitely don't want to do anything about these roots. I want to keep it intact. And also, this is a baby I'm going to just put on the side. Gonna try to not kill that. And then as you can see here, it looks like they added napkin in the soil for moisture. Ah, do you see that, Grandma?
Yeah.
As we create mess. Oh, so
This is
another moist napkin here. And so here is the condition of the plant. Also, it seems like it's very loose, so I'm just not gonna stress anything out, guys. I can see that there is some exposure here on the bottom as far as for the roots, but they do have a little chopstick here, and I don't want to do anything to stress the plant out. Also, Grandma, do you see that down there? There's some leaves here. So look at this, guys. Do you see, if you look down here deep in there, there's some baby leaves here. I don't want to jeopardize breaking them off or anything, but I do see some small little growth right down in there. But anytime you guys have some online plants coming through in the mail, let them be in its original planter for at least a week and let them chill out. They are stressed out from flying and being boxed up. As far as for this little baby, I'm gonna just leave it here and push it back into the dirt, and I'll give it like a week maybe in this planter. Maybe, Grandma, before we go to Las Vegas, we can go ahead and stick it in its new home. But for now, we're just gonna leave it in its original planter and just let it breathe here. I'm gonna go ahead and cover up the little roots. How's that?
Yeah, great.
Just like that. But I do see some little leaves here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
If you look right in there, there's a leaf. But this is going to wrap up my unboxing. It's kind of interesting how they did pack the plants. So they had watered napkins on the bottom and inside here to keep moisture in a plastic baggie. Also, they had a rubber band attaching it to the bottom so it doesn't move around. So that's always interesting. I love to see how people pack plants here. But I'm gonna wrap up the video here. I'm gonna head to San Diego. I want to thank my grandma and Abby. Abby is up to no good. She just wants to play and be chased and play with your bone and have carrots, which we will get to. But thank you, Abby, for being in today's video. And this is a big deal for me, having this plant in my collection. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have a Pink Princess Philodendron. It's a stunning plant to have in your collection. And if you are a plant enthusiast like me, having one of these in your collection is a dream. So I will definitely be doing updates on it. I will do a Planting with Jewelyn episode specifically planting this baby in its new home. But for now, we're not going to stress it out. I'm just going to let it chill in my patio. And that's going to wrap up the video. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing of my Pink Princess Philodendron, let me know in the comments below, and also leave a comment for my grandma. She loves reading your comments. You can find more on my blog at ILOVEJEWELYN.blogspot.com. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Aloha.
Okay, bye.
Bye.